out the river that is our alleyway.
It's the parking lot over there, too. There's that bag floating.
Yeah, there's this trash bag. Started all the way up here and is already down there, so this is really not bad compared to other places in the state, even though I'm sure with our luck we'll probably see like a hobo.
They're going like 5 miles an hour. It's deep over there because that road's real low.
Yeah, it gets deeper as they go that way.
Yeah.
There's Derek's truck somewhere over there. Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. So, man, it's crazy. Tell me if you see a hobo floating down. Should I try to get out there? Alright, we're about to do something dumb. We are going to go... What?
It's raining.
Ah! Yay, okay. Voila.
There.
My snazzy umbrella.
Let the camera get wet. Don't drop it in the water.
Duh. Okay. We're gonna go towards this cascading river known as the alleyway. Already had quite a few bags come floating down. I don't know what has possessed me to listen to Derek's awful ideas. He wanted me to come stand here and show you what it's like on Main Street. I really don't see the awesomeness, but oh, there goes the stick. I'm about to get hit by lightning. This bag came from all the way up the alley. This has been exciting. Now I have to go back.